Hello everyone, this is Solomon and we meet today with a new video on how to make a website from scratch on our channel Skill Road. In this video, we will see the basics of HTML and CSS. So get ready and let's go.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
While going along with our previous video, we started by declaring our document as HTML5, which is the doc type HTML. Then we've added an opening and closing tag HTML, which contains the code for the page. Also, within our code, we saw the head element and the body element. In fact, the head element contains the information not displayed on the page when we look at it as a user. In contrary, the body displays informations. For instance, on this YouTube page, all sections that we're seeing are within the body element. One thing we should notice is that the head and the body element usually have several child elements inside of them. That's the case of div, section, etc. Attributes. What are they? Well, there are additional options for HTML tags. For example, an opening tag can have an ID attribute. Also, it can have a class attribute. CSS specifies how to style HTML elements. And to style an element, we first specify the element name or ID attribute, class attribute, or a bunch more we're going to talk about later. And here is how to use it. We first need to select the element that we would like to style, and then an open curly brackets, the property, column, the value, a declaration, and then a closing curly brackets. The common selectors are body, which select the all displayed HTML page, and then H1, which is the headers only, P, which is the paragraphs, and then B, which is any marked bar. With the knowledge that we've got now, we can look at the web structure. In fact, within the head, we'll have our links, the 5 icons, and many more informations. Now, within the body, elements are not the same. We have the block elements and the inline elements. As an example of block elements, we have the paragraph, the H1 through H6, they are all block elements, and the div also is a block element. And an example of inline element, we can have a span, which is an inline element. So now here it's come, the semantic elements. Let's go back to our YouTube page. We can see now the header, and then this is our main. We have this section, treat like the same like article sometimes, and we do have navigation bars. Sometimes there is the A side one and the footer. So now what I would like you to do is to go ahead and open your Atom or any other IDE that you're using right now. We will do a little bit of practice. Go ahead and create a new folder named My Site. And within My Site, create 3 others subfolders and give them the name Styles, JavaScript, and Images. Within the styles folder, we're gonna store our CSS codes, and then the JavaScript one will contain our JavaScript codes, and the images, we're gonna store our images right there. Let's come back within our main folder, which is My Site. Create a new file named index.html. If you're using Atom, just type HTML and enter. It will generate you a custom HTML structure. Let's start by adding some code within our header tag. We can have an image here about the source. Let's go on Google to try to find some PNG like our logo. What about mango? I love mangoes. Okay, yep, we got the source, and then we pass right there. Okay, what we'll do, in case it is new to you, there is an attribute called ELT, which means alternative. We can just type mango over there. In case our page cannot display the mango image, it'll write an alternative text right there, mango, so that people can know that there should be something over there which is named mango. Okay, let us display it. Oh, we can see it is so big. Let us give it a custom height. What about 80? Okay, let's refresh our page. Nice, it works. Beautiful. Still within the header, let us have an H2 tag, and right there, like mango star, and then an H3 tag to give stuff like a description to our store. And this will end this video. N'hésitez pas à partager, liker, commenter et vous souscrire à la chaîne. Merci.